Hi there, welcome to another tutorial on playing these Faber books. This is the Piano Adventures Lesson Primer Level Book 2nd edition, and we're going to go over Tightrope Walker. If you want to support the channel, please smash the like button, share, and subscribe. It helps a lot. So I'm going to play Tightrope Walker, and then I'm going to break it down. My hands are up here on the 3 black notes, just like the previous song. Here we go. All right, we have a song play with one hand at a time. The right hand starts. We're only using the black notes, and we're using 2s, 3s, and 4s. Those fingers, 2, 3, and 4. Remember, your fingers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have all quarter notes, so all the notes should be even. Okay, whether you play fast or slow is up to you. I encourage my students to start slow, to keep their hands on the notes as much as possible. But you might find that a little bouncing motion with repeated notes makes sense. As long as you're not coming way up in the air and your fingers aren't like this, it'll be tempting to do this. Try to keep those fingers relaxed on the keys. Hands curved, not too close to the piano, arms are relaxed by your sides. Now, this song works on repeated notes, so you'll notice it gives you a finger number, but then doesn't write the finger number for the next note. That means play that note again. That's not usually how we notate to play a note again, but here they're just trying to show you that not only can we play the same note twice, but we don't always have to write a finger number. You can remember which finger to use. So we play our 2, 2 again, 3, 3 again, 4, 4, and then go back down to 3 and 3. Then our left hand plays 2, which is a different note. That's not the same note here. That's this note because it's the same finger, okay, not the same note. Repeat, go down, 3, repeat, 4, 4, and then 4 and 4 again. So I play 4 4s, 4 black notes. If you want to try this on the white notes that are either G, A, and B, or F, G, and A, then you can do that. All you have to do is take your fingers from this 3 black note position and shift them down or up together. It's not important that you know the names of the letters yet, but that's just an option if you want to try it. In fact, you can try it on lots of groups of 3 notes, white notes on the piano. All right, thank you again, and let me know if you have any questions, and have fun playing piano.